Hello, singers. Welcome back to Vocal Evolution. I'm Marie-Laurence, your vocal coach. Have you ever struggled with switching between your chest voice and head voice? Today, I'm going to break it all down for you. You'll learn how to use both chest and head voice. And I'm gonna share with you some simple vocal exercises, no piano needed. Let's get started. Let's start with chest voice. Chest voice is the lower, stronger part of your vocal range. It's the voice you use when you're speaking or singing in full, powerful vocal tone. You can feel the vibration in your chest when you sing in this register. Let's try this. Say, hey, in a strong, confident voice. Hey, hey. Now sing that hey on a low note. Hey. Notice how it feels grounded and resonant. That's your chest voice. Practice speaking phrases in a deep, projected voice and then sing them in a simple melody. Now, let's talk about head voice. Head voice is your higher register, where the sound is lighter and more resonant in your head rather than your chest. It's used in pop, classical, R&B styles for smooth, high notes. Let's try this. Wee! Yippee! Woohoo! Wee-hee! In a playful, high-pitched voice. Now sing wee on a high note. Wee! Woohoo! Wee! Wee! That's your head voice. Don't push. Let the sound be light and free. The more you relax, the stronger your head voice will become. Let's try the slide exercise. Hum. Start from your chest and gently slide up into your head voice. For example, Don't force it. Keep the sound relaxed. Let's do it again. Now, let's try this. Let's do it one more time on lip trills. So, now you know the difference between chest voice and head voice and how to work on both. Try these vocal exercises every day and you'll notice a real improvement in your vocal control. If you want more vocal tips, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast Vocal Evolution and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time!